Welcome back to a series of 100 Python tips for beginner. Tip 12, output formatting. We usually have data and we want to output our data in a special readable format or write the data in a file for further use. Here in this video, I'm going to show you two efficient ways to simply format your output data. I have three variables, ID, name, grade, and I want to format my output as this, ID, comma, name, colon, then the grade. The first way that we are going to use by using the string format function. We store the format in string variable, then use the format function and pass all values that we want to output in order. So we store our format in a string, let's say here S1, open the quotation mark, the first variable ID, we refer to variable by open braces and give it index, 0 for ID, comma, open braces, give 1 for name, then colon, open braces, and give the index 2 for grade. Now, let's use the string format function. Print, we use the string format variable s1 dot format, open parentheses, and pass all variables in order according to the index. ID with index 0, name, index 1, and then grade. Let's run the code and see the output. Here you are. The second way that we are going to use by using fstring. By the same way, we define our format in a string variable, let's say here s2, and instead of indexing variables, you can write the variable name directly, ID, here name, and here grade. Now, to define this string variable s2 as output format, we add f character at the beginning of the string before the quotation mark. Now, let's print our output, s2. Here you are. This tip 12 and we still have 98 tips. If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for your watching and I hope to see you again.